Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am here and we're going to find out about processing a pallet. Like when something comes in and they have no idea what it is, like how in the world do they even put it into different pallets and figure out what price it is? Okay, so Josue, why don't you go ahead and just give us the lowdown, the tour of how you go through a pallet.
Okay, so pretty much this is how the load comes.
Okay.
Raw, we call it raw. Like you notice, it's not attractive at all. It's just brown boxes.
You don't know really what it is.
You have no idea what they are. At least you know that one is diapers, just because it's the actual box.
Right.
You know that is candies and
stuff. This one says back to college, so who knows what that means?
Who knows? You have no idea.
Okay.
So like we were talking, it doesn't look that appealing.
Okay.
Put it on the floor and sell like this. I don't think it's not gonna work.
Gonna sell. Okay.
So what we do is we take the truck as we receive it, and then we put it in an assembly line, a conveyor belt. The guys move it to this conveyor belt.
Okay.
And that's when we start separating everything by category.
Uh-huh.
So we have, once we open all the boxes, we have all the toys, including puzzles, summer items now they're getting really popular, activities, so on and so forth. Then we jump to domestics.
So you're opening these brown boxes and basically sorting.
Pretty much we separate everything.
And he's doing an amazing job, by the way.
Of course. So we have all the health supplies, decoration.
Okay.
Toys,
costumes.
Health and beauty items. And then we put it in categories,
Okay, so this is toys, this is domestics.
Domestics.
So it's like home items,
pillows,
blankets.
sheets.
Okay.
Then we have clothing, which is, let me just take this out of the way.
Okay.
Okay,
nylons and skirts.
And underwear.
Shirts, underwear. And
this is all the box kitchen.
Okay.
Which is all blenders, coffee makers, microwaves, grills.
Okay.
This is all the fashion.
Now this has a salvage one on it. Do you think it was salvaged by the retailer probably just because of the damage of the box, or do you think it's actually broken?
It can be either or.
Either or.
It can be either or.
Okay.
Like for example, that one looked like maybe somebody opened it.
And then they just
we don't know if maybe a couple might be
themselves.
broken or it might be intact.
Okay.
Then we have, let's go this way.
Okay.
Then this is all the handbags and shoes.
Kind of like clothing accessories.
Let's say like some fashion and shoes accessories.
Okay.
Whatever doesn't fit in any category, we call it general merchandise.
Okay.
So we have lanterns, we have filters, we have shower caddies, hats, random stuff. This is like a surprise palette. This is all baby items.
Okay.
One of the hottest items that we have.
Right, because these are expensive.
These are like $30, $40
yeah,
each.
it is.
So we have.
I had 3 babies, I know.
Oh, yeah, you know better than me for sure. So we have all these baby items, baby clothing. The kids to actually eat.
Booster seat.
But the highlight is the diapers.
The diapers.
People they need diapers.
Awesome.
Stationery.
Okay.
Office supplies.
Like pencil boxes.
Sharpies. Dry erase markers. All these binders, notebooks.
Okay.
And if you notice, like I said, it's salvaged, but
they're brand new.
Really, really clean.
Okay.
These we call it utilities.
Okay.
Which is all the body wash, the soap, hand sanitizer.
It's nice that you separate some of these because I've gotten some liquidators that will put this in with clothing and then it like breaks.
It's a disaster.
Yeah, it's a disaster, and they'll do that. They'll put that in with toys and then it'll break plastic toys.
And we have to remember, we sell it as customer returns. So it might be a chance that these might be a little bit
cracked and then
everything spills everywhere.
I like that those are put separate.
Yeah. Then we have all lunch bags.
Okay.
This is like one-off. We don't get this too often.
Minecraft.
Yeah, we have Minecraft, Hot Wheels,
unicorns
and sharks and all the beauty stuff.
Batman.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So this is mostly for back to school items. Then all this is like the first separation, we call it.
Okay.
Which is they separate everything and then we decide, okay, we're gonna put this on a pallet so it looks more presentable.
Okay.
We separate this that is not as expensive as this.
Okay.
And then we kind of do a second assortment.
Okay.
So the customer can have a better idea.
Okay.
And you know, there's specific customers for specific merchandise.
Okay.
So people are looking for blankets only, or they're looking for pillows only, for example.
All right.
Then we have, you know, the same like we saw, more shoes, backpacks and shoes again.
Yep. Okay.
And then let's go this way.
Kleenexes.
This is all the Kleenex.
And household. Oh, there's like life vests and all that stuff back there. That's perfect
summer.
for this time of the year.
Sorry,
Yeah, no, you're good.
We have all the sliders.
Uh-huh.
We have the little swimming
Life jackets,
accessories,
yeah.
life jackets. We have
that cartoon is really popular right now.
Yeah, and if you can check, we have a bunch of them just in this bin only.
Yeah. That would be a good one because those are really popular
Really
right now.
popular, yeah.
Very popular cartoon.
Then we have seasonal. These we don't get. This is a little bit tricky.
I just have to.
Oh.
Hello, we are at VIA Trading. Via Trading. All right.
Yeah, this is pretty much, we usually separate by season.
Okay.
Either Halloween or Christmas separate.
Okay, so this is like
it's
fall.
Just a little bit of each. We just decided to put it together.
Okay.
And you know
So
Halloween,
wrapping
Christmas,
paper, costumes,
some
decorations, candy bowls, stencils. There's some interesting stuff in here.
I know.
That's really random. Okay.
Okay, this is we call it health and beauty items.
Okay.
The one at the bottom is full, but let me see if I can squeeze it in a little bit.
Oh yeah, so anything you find in the
cream,
pharmacy, shampoo, feminine products, all that kind of stuff.
Sunscreen. This is all actually one of the hottest items as well.
Oh yeah, because that's expensive stuff.
Really expensive stuff.
It's smalls, which means it doesn't weigh a lot. And
Doesn't
then
take too much space.
it doesn't take up a lot of
space.
space.
It has a higher value.
Yeah, it does.
And this is pretty much the main thing. Electronics. We're talking about Xbox, Sony
And I'll
items.
take that, and I'll take that, and I'll take that.
We have a bunch of cell phone accessories.
Awesome.
You know, if you want to do some
Working out?
I
don't work out. It's bad for my health.
And we also came up with this, like Samsung Galaxy watches or
Wow.
Video games.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Tripods.
Tripods.
Camera, accessories.
It's just a bunch of it. So, like if you notice, we're doing like a general separation. Just to know, okay, this is accessory, electronics. This is apparel. This is kitchen.
Gotcha.
And then after we're done with this little circle, we'll show you what's next. This is kitchen, but if you notice, this one is loose.
Okay.
You know, like a loose pan, some plates.
They're not in package.
They're
like
not in
those
package.
boxed ones.
Exactly. So the price is not as high as
Okay.
as the other one.
Okay.
And this is just a little extra. It's all the cosmetics. All the cosmetics, foundations,
Okay.
lip balm, jewelry,
Hair
some of the
dryers, hair
dryers,
straighteners, all that kind of stuff.
You know, so like you said, these kind of items we try to put them separate because it just takes so little space.
Right.
It has so much value.
Right.
And because of the condition is so clean,
Yeah.
the customer can expect a really good return.
Right. Right.
So we're done separating. Let's go
this way.
Careful. Let's go this way.
Out here.
So once the merchandise is ready, let's go this way. Let's go this way.
Okay.
Okay. So if you notice, they come all
Yeah.
tangled in, all mixed in. Just don't mind it's the trash.
Broken stuff.
Broken stuff, garbage, paper,
Gotcha.
random stuff that we don't need to sell. And then this is, let's say, the final product, which is all separated. Like now, this was on kitchen, but now it's all towels.
All towels. Okay.
All these towels, you know, people get a little bananas for this.
Yes.
This is all bathroom accessories.
Okay. So shower curtains.
Shower curtains. You
and
have
towels and
some-
soap dispensers.
The paper.
Toilet paper
dispenser.
racks.
They have some decorations. Oh, careful.
Sorry.
It's all right. They have,
Working space.
I know. Some decorations. Then we try to even up all the toys
Okay.
so they can have an idea of what to expect. You know, some Disney items.
Random
Still
sequins.
summer items.
So this is just toys in general.
Yeah. See, some floats.
Nice. And I love this box is in good condition. So is this. This is Amazon all day long. You know, same thing with this guy. He's a little backpack.
We have this one too.
Yeah.
So pretty much this is like the end of the cycle. Once they finish it, they line them up, they call me and they're like, okay, it's ready to price.
Okay.
And that's when I come in and start pricing.
And you look at a lot of the condition of them, and then is this a high price item? Is this a low price item?
Correct.
And
like for example, one pallet of toys might have a lot of the same item. I tell you know what, it would be better if you mix them all up.
Right.
So the Gaylord is more mixed,
diversified, and
more diverse.
Well, especially as a reseller, because if you put all your eggs in one basket, so to speak, and you have one product,
it's a hit or miss.
Yeah, and the bottom falls out of it, then it's hard to really make money on that particular pallet.
Correct.
So,
correct. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. How we break from the brown boxes all the way to final product. When it's ready, we price it, put it on the floor, and
so basically you just sort it into specific categories, then you take a good look at it, and then you're able to put a legitimate
based on that
put a legitimate price on it. Awesome. That has been super helpful. Yeah.
Chime in?
Yes,
sure.
please.
Here, let me grab this. So what's actually just an important part, I don't want static. Oh, but it's not live anyway. An important part to note about the processing or the sorting is that we don't inspect the merchandise itself. All we do is what you saw there on the assembly line with the Gaylords is we'll take that product, we'll put it in a Gaylord, and we'll match it with similar categories.
Well, and I would imagine if you had to inspect each and every item, that would take man hours, which costs money, which then makes me pay more.
Correct.
So,
correct.
Okay. So, I mean, what you see is kind of what you get, but I mean, obviously we saw that huge box of stuff that you threw away. So if it's clearly broken, it's not going to go into something you resell. I mean,
something like that that's clearly broken, that has zero value whatsoever.
That one lamp had a big glass globe on it and it was shattered to pieces. So obviously you're not going to throw that into a pallet.
Exactly.
So.
And that's when we sort them. So if we get work with other truckloads where you can see what's on the pallet and we just sell it the way it comes in, we don't even touch them. They're shrink wrapped, they stay shrink wrapped. It's just with these that come brown box, so we have to come figure out what's inside. That we'll do that occasionally. Okay,
awesome. So hopefully this has been helpful. Thank you so much for kind of walking us through that process and the work that they do here at Via Trading. And hopefully it's been helpful for you to feel a little bit more comfortable in knowing exactly how to buy pallets from Via Trading. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Don't know how to get to Via Trading? Click the link in the description below. Via Trading was also awesome enough to create a coupon code for my viewers only. Use the coupon code HOOKED, shown in the description below.
This code will give you $50 off your very first order of $250 or more from Via Trading.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.